Welcome to EDURO classroom. In this tutorial, we will see some examples based on the properties of parallelogram. Now, first example is show that each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Now, we know that rectangle is a parallelogram having one of its angle is equal to 90 degree. So, we can say ABCD is a rectangle and angle A is equal to 90 degree. Now we have to prove that angle B, angle C and angle D are also 90 degree. Now we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we can write here AD is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. So we can write here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, as the sum of interior opposite angles on the same side of transversal is 180 degree. So we have angle A is equal to 90 degree. So we can write 90 plus angle B is equal to 180 degree and angle B is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. We know that ABCD is a parallelogram as a rectangle is also a parallelogram. So we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So we can write here angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree and angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. As a rectangle is a parallelogram and in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Therefore, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Now another example. Show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Now consider a rhombus ABCD and we know that in a rhombus all four sides are equal. So we can write AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, as in a rhombus all sides are equal. Now in triangle AOD and triangle COD, OA is equal to OC because we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other and we know that a rhombus is a parallelogram and the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now OD is equal to OD, that is common in both triangles, and AD is equal to CD, as in a rhombus all sides are equal. So therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by SSS congruence rule. So we can write here angle AOD is equal to angle COD by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. But AOD, angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree as linear pair. Now angle AOD is equal to angle COD. So we can write here 2 of angle AOD is equal to 180 degree and angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. That we have proved here angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. So here we can see the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Now let's do another example. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC, AD bisect angle PAC, angle PAC, AD bisect angle PAC and CD is parallel to AB. Show that angle DAC is equal to angle BCA, and we also have to show that ABCD is a parallelogram. Now it is given that ABC is an isosceles triangle. That triangle ABC is isosceles triangle and AB is equal to AC given. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB as opposite angles to equal side. Also angle PAD angle PAC is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB as PAC is an exterior angle. So we can write angle PAC is equal to 2 angle ABC as angle ABC and angle ACB are equal. Now AD bisect angle PAC. So we can write 2 of angle DAC is equal to angle PAC. So angle PAC is equal to 2 of angle ABC. So we can write 2 of angle DAC is equal to 2 of angle ABC. So angle DAC is equal to angle ABC. Now, these equal angles form a pair of alternate angles when AD and BC are intersected by a transversal AC. So, BC is parallel to AD and BA is parallel to CD. Now, both pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD are parallel. So, ABCD is a parallelogram.